Take a look at this form. By changing few numbers, the entire tower twists and transforms. Most people think this kind of parametric design is possible only in Grasshopper, but I built it inside Revit, with using only 3 parameters. So in this video I will show you step by step how to create this parametric twisting tower without Grasshopper, without Rhino and without Dynamo, only in Revit. So watch the full tutorial on my YouTube channel. So I start by creating this form in mass. Just make sure that both the mass environment and the main Revit project are using the same units. I set everything to meters. I need 5 reference planes, 2 of them for define the start and the end of the form. And the other 3 are placed in between to control the twist of the form. Next we need to add our parameters. The first parameter controls the overall height of the form, and the second one defines the start and the end points of the twist. And the last parameter controls the distance of the twisting center from the start of the form. After that, I simply draw identical squares on each reference plane. To do this properly, I set each reference plane individually and then sketch the square on it. Then I rotate the middle square by 25 degrees, so later we can generate the twisting effect in the form. At this stage, I select all the squares and click Create Form. And that's it. As you can see, because we use parameters, we can easily generate different variations of the form just by changing the values. After that, we load the mass into the main project file. Once the form is in the project, we start creating the floors, but before that, we need to set up the levels. If you want to how create levels, just watch this video popping up here. After creating the floors, we're changing the materials and the structural type. I will first create the curtain wall so you can clearly understand the process, and then I will do the same thing for using a regular wall. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. More tips coming soon.